Another very important topic in our daily lives is summarizing information. No matter if you read a blog post or an article, if you get a long email from a colleague, sometimes you only need to know the core information of a specific text. With ChatGPT, we can now summarize text within seconds. I have a very long text now here in my prompt. This text is all about a healthy lifestyle, what you should eat, what you should do, how you should sleep, and so on. So instead of reading the text and then summarizing it on our own, we can just provide the text to ChatGPT and then simply say, summarize this text for me. We don't add any further constraints in here. Let's just see what ChatGPT makes out of it. So this is a really very short summary. Let's say this is too condensed. I want to have at least the subheaders in here, and more core content should be remained in the summary. Then I can simply tell ChatGPT that I'm not totally happy with this way of summarizing the text. Let's say this is too short and unstructured, so it should summarize the different topics in separate paragraphs. It should include subheaders, but of course all core topics should be included. And now we have a obviously longer summary, which still is a lot shorter and specifically more structured than the initial text. And with that, ChatGPT made it very easy for us to summarize this text. Very short, like this one here, or in the more structured version, which I personally prefer. Now, besides summarizing provided texts, as we did it here, you can also use ChatGPT to summarize articles that you found on a website. Didn't we learn that ChatGPT can't access websites by default? It indeed can't, but you can just copy-paste articles and then let ChatGPT do the summarization work. I'm once again on academind.com, and here I want to have a summary of this git restore and git reset article. I can simply highlight the entire text in this article, now copy it, paste it into my message box, and tell ChatGPT once again that it should summarize this article, and let's maybe add, keep it as short as possible, but don't lose important information. So let's see. And that's quite awesome actually, right? We get a very condensed summary with a short introduction of the topic and then 3 bullet points with the core concepts taught in this article. As always, this can also only be a starting point, so you might want to reread the article and add some information that should be included in the summary, but still, this is a very efficient way to summarize text within seconds.